Hello everyone, welcome to the website Cash Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to make the tutorial to show you how to transfer USDT between statemint and the parachain. I'm using the Astar and the Moonbeam as example. So recently we know Binance, they complete the integration of USDT on Polkadot. So you can choose a statemint when you withdraw the USDT from Binance. The statemint address is the same as your Polkadot address. So once you withdraw those USDT, you can use them. So first of all, I'm going to use Moonbeam because from the Moonbeam, they have the parachain bridge where you can send the USDT from Moonbeam to the statemint. So for now, I don't have any USDT on statemint. I'm going to just use the Moonbeam to send it. For those of you who withdraw from the Binance, you should get the USDT directly on the statemint. So it will just take maybe less than 1 minute to finish everything. Probably half minute, you are going to have the USDT. So this is the first thing, you should get some USDT. Now go to the Astar portal. You can select the cross-chain transfer from the statemint to the Astar. So if you want to send it from the statemint to Astar, you can do it. If you want to send it from statemint to Moonbeam, you can also do that, use the cross-chain. So keep in mind, you have to keep at least 1.5 USDT on statemint. And also to send the USDT, you have to send at least 1.5 USDT. And so here I cannot do anything. So I'm going to use RSwap to swap some Astar to the USDT and show you how to send it from the Astar EVM to the statemint. And so here, it doesn't mean I don't like Astar. It's just a demo to show you how to make it. And so here I have to connect to the MetaMask on the Astar portal, and I select transfer. And so after I select that, you can click the cross-chain transfer and get your statemint address. So it's the same as your Polkadot address. And so I put it here and I'm going to send some USDT. So this is USDT I just swap. And I'm going to send it from the Astar EVM to the statemint. And so this part is done and it's running smoothly. And so of course you can also do the opposite, send from statemint to Astar, or you can do it from the Moonbeam, send the USDT from statemint to Moonbeam. And so here I didn't do the demo because I don't have the DOT to pay for the fees. But for those of you who wants to do that, you can just go ahead and have a try. And so I spent maybe $1 for making this tutorial, but I think it was to show you. Some of you may not know how to do that, and so hopefully this video is helpful. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.